gonna clean some cars?
Yeah, I'll be at Cleveland. You gonna be there?
Yeah.
All right, cool. We're gonna have some fun
you need
there.
a car to drive?
I do need a car to drive. What is up, fam? This message finds you all Wonder Spirits. Well, we are here at VMP. The Mamba's getting boosted, but my buddy Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle said, what are you going to do while your car's getting worked on? He said, drive my 800 horsepower Whipple S550. This is a stick shift car. And from what I found out, is actually a stock MT82 with just a short throw.
Power-wise, Whipple 2.9 Gen 2. It's got Corsa long tubes, VMP full fuel system, VMP oil pump here, crank here, 3.5 pulley, so it's on like 13 pounds of boost or 12 pounds, something like that, and made 840.
Woo! But it's Albessa, you're still stock MT82, huh?
Stock MT82. We got a bargain short throw. It's got a Mantic twin disc clutch.
Handling all that power. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get in and take a drive. All right, that kind of scared me a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, woo! That's a lot of fun. All right. It's not every day that you're need a car to borrow from a friend. He lets you have an 800 horsepower Whipple stick shift Mustang. I tell you what, I'm totally honored and flattered that Mustang Lifestyle let me borrow not only his car, but I believe his wife's car as well, Ashley. Very easy car to drive fast. Doesn't feel as crazy until you get into the power band. It actually feels very comfortable, which leads me into the conversation we had earlier about why the GT500 can simply have a stick shift. It's not hard. I'm pretty sure that there's going to be companies that are going to be having the GT500 auto swap to a stick shift already. They're taking orders for it. Probably in Texas, probably in VMP is probably going to do it. But this car is proof in that pudding that it's not as scary as you think. And actually, this car is probably faster than the GT500 would be anyhow. It's funny, the 18, I've driven a lot of different variants of Mustang, and the 18 feels different in its own way. But to be in the 15 through 17 model is still a little nostalgic for me, to say the least. But I am a big fan of how this car drives. I think Andrew has it set up very nicely. I know it's on E85. He has a fuel system in there, has the Whipple on there, and she definitely rocks and rolls. Powerful. And it's good looking. I love the grabber blue wrap they have put on here. It looks nice. It feels nice. It is a lot of fun. I'm going to turn around here. This car has some nice tires on it, so it puts the power down. So we'll get straight, and then we'll hit it and see how she does. We're in first. Okay, that is amazing. Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing, 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 amazing. This is definitely addicting. All right, well, listen, you're not going to reach the limits of this car on local roads. You have to take it to a racetrack at the drag strip or a road racing event or a half-mile event, because I'm curious to see what this would do, because this is a freight train. My goodness gracious. Dude, you got to feel this. I don't know if you're ready.
All right.
Like, I don't even know if you're ready. It was crazy. This is the craziest. This is crazy. It's a stick shift. Crazy. Let me get my GoPro up.
He's getting the car ready. Mounting the GoPro on the rooftop, I think. Rocking the hat that he bought at the Goodwill store.
Crazy.
Can I record on this too?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm gonna record on this too.
Most you should show your face.
Okay, like this. What's the face
have you ever been in a supercharged Mustang before?
I've never been before.
All right.
Oh man, that's crazy, bro. My stomach dropped, bro.
Oh man.
Oh my gosh, try to keep a straight face. Shoot.
It just keeps pulling, dude. I actually slipped back there so the traction kicked on, but I'll turn traction control off.
I want to go on a roller coaster now.
Doesn't it feel like that dramatic?
It did feel like that.
Like it feels like you're driving a roller coaster, like without the roller coaster. This is therapeutic, dude.
You ever been to the Rock and Roller Coaster in Hollywood
No,
Studios?
no.
That's what it felt like first took.
All right, I'm gonna make some room here.
What's the guy doing?
He's giving me
Does he not know
room.
about the race?
Okay. Dude, that was... I had to grab you. I was like, hey, you had to feel this.
It's crazy. We gotta do this like a couple more times.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready. I was not ready.
All right, we're done.
You didn't even get this camera a chance to zoom. No! More!
Listen, it's not every day that someone lets you...
No! One more!
lets you borrow a car like this.
Let's go! Alright, keep it steady.
Big thanks to Andrew, Mustang Lifestyle, letting my boy Tragic Hero, myself, experience this epic machine. Wow, my heart is pumping.
Me too.
But there's more content like this on his channel, so go check out this beautiful car he has. This is actually his girl's car, Ashley, believe it or not. So her car is just as crazy. So definitely follow their channel. Appreciate that opportunity. We're gonna finish it one more pull. What do you think?
What's up, dude?
Listen, I gotta be honest with you. I swear MT-82s are hit or miss. Talk to me, dude.
I really think so. I actually broke an MT-82 in my friend's car.
Yeah.
I broke fourth gear. He had an RXD. Nothing wrong with the McLeod RXD. They work. They just work a little bit too well on the MT-82s. They grab the gears and rip them out. On a TR6060, T56, the RXD works very well. I think that this clutch in here is the reason why this still has a stock MT-82 with 63,000 miles on it.
Wow.
And of course we got Gen 2 motor, which Gen 2 motor is pretty reliable.
It is. It really is. Like, everyone talks about the Gen 3, which is great, but these Gen 2s are being appreciated even more because of what they're able to do. So, yeah.
This was a daily driver for a long time.
Yeah, no, I'm excited to see these cars, and big fan of Andrew and what he's done with his channel. Yeah. He's got a lot of crazy builds. Well, when I come back in January, we should do some content together racing, because then this will be more at a level to hang with a lot of your builds.
Yep.
Right now we just rock the NA stuff, but yeah.
The Bullet would be a really good race.
That would be a really good race currently.
125, 126. And
this car currently runs best NA 10.8 at 126. Yeah, we do. I mean, it does have the 2,000 horsepower drive shaft, half shafts on it now from
they're
DSS.
pretty good over there at Yeoman's.
Yeah, and we have the drag brakes on there. So we lost one stud, long story, but we have drag brakes, full Steeda suspension, one-piece drive shaft, 2,000 horsepower half shafts. We have the Circle D 3500 stall for the 10-speed, and I'm going to try to see what she does. The goal is what she does best, stock motor, stock trans, and then go from there.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, listen, I don't know what it is, but when someone says the motor's built or the trans built, people are like, yeah, of course you do that time. You better run an 8 in the built. So we're going to just try to see what it does and holds to that level. So hope you guys please check out Andrew from Mustang Lifestyle's channel. Nice guy, great ambassador for the Mustang community, very well respected, and a lot of nice crazy builds. He has a Bullet New Edge, he has this car, he has a truck. I mean, he has a lot of awesome builds. Great channel, great guy. Appreciate his help and support. Please like and subscribe because you guys know it never ends. Peace.